Friends, in this video we will be preparing Manganese II Chloride from easily available chemicals and demonstrating a novel method of purifying the product. Materials required are readily available: manganese dioxide, 15 ml of concentrated HCl and some acetone for purification part. Start by measuring out the reactants: 5 grams of manganese dioxide and 15 milliliters of the hydrochloric acid, and add the concentrated acid into the manganese dioxide. Immediately you see the reaction starting and lot of bubbling. What's happening here is manganese dioxide is reacting with hydrochloric acid to form manganese II chloride, chlorine gas and water. Chlorine gas is that dark green colored vapors you see inside the flask. This was commonly used to generate chlorine gas in the laboratory. Chlorine gas is extremely toxic and irritating to the respiratory system, so avoid inhaling the vapors. Keep the reaction vessel away in a standard place for about 12 hours, and after that most of the reaction has come to an end. Now we filter the solution and discard all the suspended large particles. You can see that by this gravity filtration method, a lot of minute particles are being filtered down, but that's okay as much of that will be dissolving eventually in the heating part. Now we boil down the solution to complete dryness. You can see that after few minutes of boiling the solution, it has turned clear. Continue stirring the solution. By about 45 minutes, we are left with a brownish compound, and it is the manganese chloride product that is heavily contaminated with iron. Now we start the purification process by adding about 100 milliliters of acetone. Acetone is now going to show an interesting property. Iron salts are very well soluble in acetone, but the solubility of manganese salts are comparatively very bad. By taking advantage of this characteristic property, we will try to dissolve most of the iron in acetone. We use a separatory funnel to take out the desired product, which forms as the lower layer, and the upper acetone layer, as you can see, is already yellowish green in color, which has the contaminant iron in it, and we will discard that. We do this step 2 to 3 times, each time using 100 milliliters of fresh acetone. Be generous with acetone as we will be redistilling and purifying the acetone later, so you don't want to worry about the quantity of acetone being used. After the rinsing step, boil down our desired product to dryness. Now you can make out that the compound is much purer and it has a pink color to it. Next we recrystallize this compound from a little distilled water, and here is the final yield of recrystallized manganese II chloride. We got a yield of about 57%, which is not bad when extracting manganese salt from manganese dioxide. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my Patreon supporters who have financially supported me so that I could get the materials required for doing all these experiments, including this one. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you loved the contents of this video, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you will get notified about my future videos.